Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one we're gonna be going over my favorite place to buy cargo pants. We're in for a good one on this one. I'm gonna style some of these as well for you guys, so make sure you leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, click the post notification bells because I'm bringing y'all more heat, I promise. With all that being said, let's get straight into this video. Shout out to BlackTailor for sponsoring this video. They got some heat, bro. We're gonna talk about them in the order that I pulled them out. BlackTailor branding on the front. You got some information on the back as well. These are the V3 cargo pants in the tan colorway. These are cold, bro. They have a really good weight to it. That's something I noticed off the rip. You can see the full length right here. These are actually not bad, bro. Has that rubberized patch on the top. This tan colorway is a color that I probably wear really often. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I feel like these are gonna stack pretty well. They do have the zip on this inside seam. You got these cargo pockets and the materials feel really premium on these. Honestly, a pair of essential cargos. You could wear these all the time, and that's something that I am feeling about BlackTailor. It's not just your standard quality. This feels like you can wash them 20 times and they're gonna feel exactly how they feel now, or probably even better. Second up, we got the X7 cargos in a gray blue colorway. These are a little bit wider if I'm not mistaken, but that was the vibe I was trying to go for. I really love the color on these more than anything. This tone of blue is crazy, bro. It almost has like a tealish, dark teal vibe to it. I don't know what it is about this color that I really love. They do have a wider feel on the bottom, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. Let me know how y'all feeling about these. They have extra cargo pockets and shit. Y'all know how I feel about cargos. It's just the vibe for me, bro. These go hard. I was mainly trying to go for colors that I know I'll pull off, or that I know I'll wear more frequently. These cargo pants right here, the X7s, go hard. I know these are gonna have the right fit and feel for the type of fits I have in my head, and they also have them in more colors that I feel like are essential colorways. Like low-key, I want to pick these up in the black as well. I mainly love the material on these pieces and the way that you can tell they pay attention to detail. You have the rubberized patch on the front of these as well. These are the V3s in the magnet. Honestly, I had to pick them up again. I just really love the color. I'm trying to tell y'all, they have like some intricate, more specific colors that you don't find in your normal stores. Fuck with that, I'm not gonna lie. This is like a really washed dark gray color, and I feel like these are essential. Like, I know for a fact I'm gonna wear these shits a whole lot, bro. Like, you could damn near wear this shit with anything. I love the fact that it's not black, it's not gray. It's almost like a dark washed vintage tea gray. I really fuck with these a lot. These are almost an essential pair of pants. It'll deadass go with any of the sneakers behind me right now. I love the way that these look. So far, we got a tan pair of cargos, slate blue pair of cargos, and then you also have these magnet color, which is probably my favorite so far. I want to say that all these items are going to be linked at the top of the description alongside my promo code, which is AstroNori10. If you guys are trying to get a little discount, go ahead and use my promo code. It will be at the top of the description. But let's get into this last package. So to give y'all a little breather on the cargo pants, I got this canvas jacket that I want to show y'all. Let's see what this looks like in person. This shit looks sick online. I'm not even gonna lie. Come on, this shit is cold. I decided to get this one in a size large. I didn't want it too small or too big on me, so I decided to go with a size large. This jacket is a whole different type of vibe, bro. I feel like the man in this bitch. Like, the cut on this jacket is so hard. It's like shorter around the hip and then it's a little longer. I fuck with that shit a lot. I like the way that even the sleeves aren't cuffed. Hard body, bro. This jacket go crazy, bro. Look at the details on this shit. Zip right here. You got a little button. All the buttons on the pieces say black on it, so their attention to detail is honestly like no other. This is deadass like a luxury item. It has the correct weight to it. It just feels good. It has a quilted lining. Look at the tag on this shit with the wiring. Like, stop playing. This shit goes so hard. Like, this shit is fire, bro. You even got cargo pockets on the side of the sleeve, bro. Stop playing with them. Look at this shit. I can't make it up. I deadass cannot make it up, bro. Fire, fire, bro, fire. The last pair of cargos are the X6 cargos. These I decided to get in the black color, and it is the last pair of cargos. But hey, leave a like on this video if y'all enjoying the heat so far. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is no bullshit. These are about to be all the pants I wear, low-key. X6 cargos. These are hard too, bro. They have like a, ooh, the fit, bro. Look at the fit. Deadass. The fit, bro. All I need is an Arc'teryx hat and we chilling. I honestly love the way that it has that panel on the front. It almost gives it like a more trekking vibe. I like the way that the zipper is offset on these. It almost looks like a tactical pair of pants, so I really am fucking with these. They're not too tight, not too loose, which is even better low-key. I feel like this is the best pair of pants to get in the solid black because it just goes with everything. It has that trekking vibe like I said before. I love the zippers on it. I low-key have a whole new wardrobe. All these cargo pants go crazy, bro. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. If I honestly were to drop a clothing collection, it would be these 4 colors right here. I love the tan, love the slate blue, the magnet color, and then the black. Like low-key, when I drop tees, expect these colors. If you saw it here, you saw it first. This is the color palette that I'm fucking with. Hey, let me know in the comments if you guys like these cargo pants or even these type of videos. Every item that I showed off will be linked at the top of the description, and it's almost undeniable. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, the quality on these shits is A1. Like these will stand the test of times if you wash them and keep wearing them. I'm excited to pull off some fits. Hey, shout out to BlackTailor for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate you guys for even hitting me up, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming back to the channel and supporting. It means more than you would ever imagine. If you're interested in any of these items, click the link at the top of the description and use my promo code AstroNori10 for 10% off. Shout out to BlackTailor. Shout out to you guys. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.